and welcome to Let's Cook It. Today it's a rise and shine day today, so we're making a special breakfast today. We're gonna call it rise and shine breakfast. So everything's gonna be in one pan. So one pan for everybody. Olive oil. And we're gonna start with the red potatoes, pre-washed red potatoes. We're gonna cut them small cube or small dice. So the reason why I'm cutting it small dice, so it doesn't take long to cook in the frying pan. Nice, here we go. And salt and pepper, of course. Cover it up, and I have some red pepper, the onions, and portobello mushrooms. Yummy, look at this. After the potatoes halfway cooked, we're gonna add the vegetables here and saute them and let it on a low heat. Nice, look at this. And as soon as the potato, just give it a little push. As soon as the potato break easy, that means it's time to add the rest of the vegetables, which is I have here portobello mushroom, fresh garlic, onion, mixed pepper. Give it a little mix. Nice. Again, let it cook slowly. This meal already needs just a little bit patience, but you will have a good result. Nice, look at this, beautiful. Now the vegetable almost ready, and I have some asparagus I want to add. Of course, asparagus I won't add it at the beginning because it doesn't take long. I'm just gonna dice them small pieces and add it. Give it a little mix. Let it cook for another minute, and then we'll add the egg. Beautiful. Look at this. Now it's fully sauteed, everything. The potato is fully cooked. Now, just gonna make them a little flat. So it's time now to add the egg. So when you add the egg, make sure your stove on the low, because now we are cooking the eggs, not the vegetable anymore. So we're gonna steam the eggs. Okay, let's start here. Nice. I have 5 eggs here. Crack first one, second one. Trying not to break the egg yolk because it looks so good. And the last one right in the middle. Perfect. A little pepper on top. Nice, look at this. Here we go, it's almost ready. There we go. Our rise and shine breakfast skillet. So looks so yummy. Look at this. It's like you're serving a pizza here. Right on the bread. Wow. It's amazing. Have the saute flavor, the caramelized flavor, and every bite you have the protein, you have the carb, and you have the fiber in it. It's amazing meal, amazing dish, all in one frying pan. So it's all yours to enjoy. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.